Hello students, today we are going to learn about reproduction. It is your chapter number 9, reproduction in animals. Write down aim, that is to learn about reproduction in animals. Write down keywords: asexual reproduction, binary fission, eggs, embryo, fertilization, internal fertilization, metamorphosis, zygote, oviparous animals, viviparous animals, sexual reproduction, external fertilization, fetus, sperms. Later on will discuss about these terms, but first you have to write these things in your notebook. So write down asexual reproduction, binary fission, eggs, embryo, fertilization, internal fertilization, metamorphosis, zygote, oviparous animals, viviparous animals, sexual reproduction, external fertilization, fetus and sperms. Okay, so the first question is, can you remember all the life process? So if we count, humans can perform a 7 life process and many more also there, but there are 7 major life process that human or animals that are playing. Okay, first is movement. So if we are animals, we have to move. Okay, so animals, they have a limbs. For example, they have a hands or a legs. So with the help of that, they can move from one place to other place. So movement means animals can move from one place to other place. So it is the movement. In case of plants, they having a sedentary lifestyle. So they can't move from one place to other place. But other body parts of the plants can move, means root. They can elongate their body for the search of water. So it is one kind of movement that can shown by the plant. So such kinds of things, that is the first life process that has to be performed by the living things. Okay, second one is the reproduction. Reproduction means, the word itself suggests that to recreate something or to produce something or to make new thing which is exactly similar to the previous one. Reproduction. Next is the sensitivity. Sensitivity is the kind of alertness that our body provide to search, or that alertness is responsible and the essential one that gives alertness from the surrounding environment. Okay, if we touch to the hot thing, our body or our finger automatically removes or dispatch from that thing. So it is the sensitivity. We can smell. Okay, it is one thing that related to the sensitivity. In case of plants also, they showing this kind of process. Other one is the nutrition. We eat our food, from that food we can take nutrients. So our body needs that nutrients for growth. Okay, so that nutrients means the carbohydrates are there, proteins, fats, all the things which is essential for the life that we can take from our food. So it is, other thing is the nutrition. Next is the excretion. These two processes are related to our digestion process. Okay, we eat food, from that food we get a nutrient, so it is the nutrition. And the things which our body not need, or the waste material, okay, after churning out food, the waste material will collect inside our body and that has to be excreted or removed from our body, and this process is related to excretion. Next one is respiration. we breathe in and breathe out. So breathe in oxygen and breathe out the carbon dioxide, and we take or we get energy from this process. So it is respiration, and other one is growth. So this all life process perform by the animals or by the plants. Okay. So we are going to learn about reproduction. So reproduction means what? So reproducing organisms create a new individuals that look very much like themselves. Okay. So the new one or the younger one which will form by the reproduction, that look like same with the previous one. Okay. So it is the reproduction. Reproduction is essential. Why it is essential? Because it makes or it continue the species. So think or imagine if, so this cat reproduce and they will give another, means same kittens. Okay, dogs they will create a pups, the humans they will create a baby. So it is the reproduction. So they make a continuation in a species. Okay. In case of plants also, the older plant they will make a new plant which is similar like the older one. So it is the reproduction. They produce or they create something. Okay. So what is reproduction? All living things reproduce and produce offsprings which is similar to themselves. Okay. So reproduction, imagine what would happen if organism had not reproduced. If organism had not reproduced, their numbers would decrease and they would become extinct. Means the species get vanished from the earth. So because to make the new species and the continuation of a life, the reproduction is the major process. There are some modes of reproduction. In your textbook they have given one table. So you have to fill this table. For example, animal they will make the young one. So human they will make a baby, cat, kitten. So search this and fill this table and rewrite in your notebook. Okay. Now the exact process which we called it as reproduction. So your next topic is modes of reproduction. So there are two modes of reproduction. First is asexual reproduction and second one is sexual reproduction. So what is the major difference between them? We'll discuss it. First we'll move to sexual reproduction. I think you have studied this topic, that is sexual reproduction or reproduction of a plants in class 7. So what is sexual reproduction? In this case, two sexes are involved, means they have two types of gametes. One, it is a male gamete and second one is the female gamete. So the sexual reproduction is the formation of a new plants, okay, through the fusion of male and a female gamete. So in case of plant, if you revise the things, that in plant, these flowering plants they can carry the reproductive organ. So in case of flowering plant, which is the reproductive organ? So in that case the flowers are the reproductive organs in case of plants. In case of plant, they possess two types of flowers. One is bisexual and other one is unisexual. Bisexual means the two sexes, that is male and the female reproductive cells are there on one single plant. Okay. And in unisexual flowers, the male and the female, male or a female reproductive cell, they are on either one or means on a different plant there is a male or a female reproductive cell. So bisexual, two sexes are present on a single plant, and in unisexual either male or a female reproductive cells are present on a different plants. Okay, so such like plants, in case of animals there is also happen a sexual reproduction. In that case the female gamete and the male gametes are the different thing. They are produced by the female and the male itself. So it is the mode of reproduction that involves the fusion of haploid gamete, that is female gamete and the male gamete, and they will make a zygote from it. Okay, so in case of sexual reproduction, male gamete, in case of male we called it as sperm, so it is one male gamete, so it is a gamete, and in case of female it is the egg which we called it as gamete. When these two gamete fused with each other, they will make a zygote. From this zygote, when that zygote get developed, that will form a embryo, and by that embryo there will be a baby. Okay, so sexual reproduction involves the two kinds of gametes. One is a male, means that automatically comes from a male, so in case of humans we called it as sperm, and in case of female they release egg which is a gamete. Okay, so male gamete, female gamete, when they fused with each other they will form a zygote, then that zygote will develop, they will make an embryo, and then baby will develop. So it is the way we can define the sexual reproduction, means there will be a fusion of male and female gamete and they will form a zygote, so it is, we know it as sexual reproduction. So in this chapter Latell will discuss about the reproductive organs, then there will be a development of embryo, then viviparous and oviparous organs, then asexual reproduction, and then there is one story which is related to Dolly. It is a clone. So have you understood this topic? In this topic we have to learn about the reproduction. So reproduction means to create, and that creation is similar to the older one. Okay, means from parents offspring will form, so that offspring is similar like to their parents, so both are looking or they are similar. Okay, so it is called as reproduction. Reproduction can happen in both, means in plants as well as in animals. Okay, the mode of reproductions are of two types, asexual and sexual. Okay, in sexual reproduction there is fusion of a two gamete, one which is from a male and other which is from a female, and that they both the gametes get fused with each other, so they will form a zygote, then there will be embryo, and then there will be a baby. Okay, so it is a kind of sexual reproduction that we have to learn. Okay, and that things we'll learn in our next session. Up to that, revise the things, understood the concept. Reproduction is one of the life process that is important for the continuation of a species. If any species can't reproduce, their number get decreased, and up to certain years and afterwards that species get extinct or vanish from the earth. So to keep the continuation of a species, there is a responsible process, is the reproduction. Okay, so I hope you understood, revise the things. Thank you so much for watching this session. We'll meet soon. Okay, up to that, bye.